Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey and today we are doing a deep kitchen clean. Let me show you the list of things I plan to accomplish in this video. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff to do and this isn't little stuff either. I'm super excited to be cleaning my fridge, but I'm not excited about cleaning the oven. However, I don't think that oven has been cleaned since we got it. So come along with me and let's clean this kitchen together. I am starting off by emptying and refilling the dishwasher.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Alright, I have a confession. I hate cleaning cast iron. I know they are great cookware, but I will never buy cast iron for myself. It's too much effort to clean.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me.
I mean, look at that. That is really gross. And I still didn't get all that burnt food off.
Stay. I just wanna feel alive.
The next thing on my list was to scrub my sink, and I'm just using regular dish soap. However, the soap suds don't really show up on camera, so it kind of looks like I'm cleaning the sink with nothing.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Let's get started on this fridge. I am super excited about this. There's always a main reason why I want to clean an area of my house. Last cleaning video, it was that shelf that gave me motivation to clean my office. And this cleaning video, it's my fridge that gave me the motivation to clean my kitchen. I'm just starting by obviously taking all the food out and placing the drawers and shelves in the sink.
Me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick close-up of what the fridge looks like. The walls are not that bad until you get to the bottom of the fridge. There's a lonely piece of bacon right there in the corner. And I want to tell you guys something. This piece of cheese has been sitting here for the longest time, and we all see it, but we never pick it up and throw it away. So I am picking this up and I'm throwing it away. Goodbye. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe out the crumbs, spray my Method all-purpose spray, and just wipe it out. I'm sure there was a much easier way to clean these, but my sink is not big enough. Water kept spilling over the sides onto the counters. It was hard for me to reach the soap and the faucet handle. It was a difficult task to clean the shelves and drawers, but I'm glad it is done.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now.
Everything is cleaned. It's wiped down. There's no crumbs. All the food is back in. And now I need to handle everything that's in the door. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There's one missing. It's on the counter behind me already. So we're gonna tackle this side of the fridge now.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio.
Alright, so I just want to give you guys a quick overview of what our toaster oven looks like. It's got fingerprints and grease stains and grime.
Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out.
Honestly, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing right here. This toaster oven is in such bad shape. I really wish I knew a way to get all the grease, grime, and rust off. If you have any tips or tricks, please leave them in the comments below. I've already tried baking soda and vinegar, but that didn't do anything. One thing that does work that I have tried is putting a cup of vinegar in the microwave. Let it heat up for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then all the nastiness will easily come off.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the skies.
So our oven is pretty gross. I don't know when the last time it was cleaned, but my oven has a function to where you can just pour water in it and let it steam for 20 minutes and all of the gunk will loosen up. But before I start that, I just wanted to go in there with a wet cloth and see how much stuff I could get up with just using that. So while the oven was steaming, I went ahead and cleaned the rest of the oven, and I wiped down the front of the dishwasher.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
Now that the 20 minutes is up, it's time to wipe out the oven and the steam function actually worked really well. I was really impressed with how much stuff actually came off. There were still a few pieces that I couldn't get up, but with how much stuff was actually caked on, it actually did a really good job.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down.
The next thing I'm doing is wiping down my counters with the Method multi-surface spray. I also just want to say that my house may not be the cleanest and it may not be the most organized, and we are working on it, but we have a very happy, loving home nonetheless. And at the end of the day, that is all that matters.
But each other, I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other, didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other, I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other, didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you motivation to clean some areas in your kitchen. Please subscribe down below and hit the bell notification to be reminded of all my future videos. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.